Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine starting at home. Students, today I am going to teach you the poem How the Little Kite Learned to Fly. The poem expresses the fearful nature of a little kite who wanted to fly high in the sky. Initially, the little kite was afraid to fly high in the sky and was highly pessimistic. Pessimistic means negative. That means the little kite wanted to fly high in the sky, but due to its fearful nature, it was unable to fly. But later on, with the motivating words of the big kite, he gathered courage and learned to fly slowly. When the little kite, motivated by the big kite, somehow the little kite gathered the courage to fly. Finally, he successfully learned to fly high in the wailing sky. This poem is about that only. The theme of the poem is as the little kite was afraid to taking his first flight, similarly we too should not worry about changes which are new to us. कि जैसे क्या होता है कि जैसे छोटी सी वो काइट थी, वो डरने से उड़ रही थी, सिमिलरली हमारी लाइफ में भी जो भी चेंजेस आते हैं, न्यू चेंजेस आते हैं, हमें उनसे डरना नहीं चाहिए. Now what is the mood of the poem? The mood of the poem is joyful. The poem seeks to celebrate the hard earned efforts, courage and the bold attitude of the kite to fly in the peaceful sky. जो पोएम है किसके बारे में है? काइट के एफर्ट्स के बारे में, करेज के बारे में एंड बोल्ड एटीट्यूड के बारे में, उड़ने के लिए जो उसका करेज था उसके बारे में ये पोएम है. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स रीड द पोएम. प्लीज पे अटेंशन. I never can do it, the little kite said as he looked at the others high over his head. I never can do it. Here, a little kite was initially afraid of flying as he looked up at the other kites who flew freely in the sky. कि छोटी सी जो एक काइट थी वो बहुत डर रही थी जब उसने बाकी बड़ी बड़ी काइट्स को आसमान में उड़ते हुए देखा. So the little kite was afraid to fly high in the sky and the little kite said I never can do it कि मैं तो कभी भी आसमान में नहीं उड़ पाऊंगा. I know I should fall if I tried to fly. And he said that I know. The little kite thought that he would fall if he tried to fly. उसने क्या सोचा कि अगर उसने उड़ने की कोशिश की तो वो गिर जाएगा. Try, said the big kite. Only try. Or I fear you never will learn at all. The big kite encouraged him to try. Big kite said, I know that you are unable to fly as you are afraid to fly, but what is the harm in trying? So you should try once. Or I fear you never will learn at all. Or I fear that if you will not try, then you will never be able to learn to fly. But the little kite said, I'm afraid I'll fall. The big kite nodded, oh well, goodbye. I'm off, and he rose towards the tranquil sky. But the little kite was still afraid as he thought that he would fall if he tried to do so. अब उस छोटे काइट को अभी भी डर लग रहा था. क्यों? क्योंकि उसे लग रहा था कि वो गिर जाएगा अगर उसने उड़ने की कोशिश की तो. And the big kite ignored his words, bid him goodbye and flew high in the peaceful sky. अब जब बिग काइट ने देखा that the little kite was afraid and he was not interested in flying, then he said his final goodbye. उसने कहा ठीक है, okay, goodbye, I am leaving now. And he rose, he flew towards the tranquil means peaceful. He rose towards the peaceful sky. Then the little kite paper stared at the sight and tremblingly shook himself free for flight. The sight of the big kite flying into the vast sky made the little one stare with fright. अब जब लिटिल काइट ने देखा कि वो बड़ी काइट तो आराम से उड़ गई तो उसको अब और टेंशन हो गई. उसको डर लगने लग गया. उसे धीरे धीरे कांपते हुए he shook himself free for flight. उसने भी उड़ने की कोशिश की. ठीक है, though a little frightened, he was ready to fly. First wailing and frightened, then braver grown. Up, he rose through the air alone. At first, the little kite circled the sky. अब जब उसने उड़ने की कोशिश की तो पहले क्या हुआ? Wailing means circled. उसने धीरे धीरे स्काई में सर्किल लगाना शुरू किया, गोल गोल घूमना शुरू कर दिया. ठीक है, और उसे फ्राइटन से बहुत डर लगा. But braver grown, धीरे धीरे उसे अपनी हिम्मत जुटाई. Though being frightened, yet he managed to gather courage and flew bravely alone in the sky. Although he was afraid, but somehow he managed to gather courage and flew bravely alone in the sky, till the big kite looking down could see the little one rising steadily. Now the big kite could see the little one flying unwaveringly in the sky. Now big kite felt very happy when he saw that finally little kite was able to fly high in the sky. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride as he sailed with the big kite side by side. This made the little kite feel very happy, proud, and excited as he was now the companion of the big kite that flew up in the air. Then, how the little kite thrilled with pride. Now, when the little kite was able to fly high in the sky, he felt very happy, proud, and excited as he was now the companion of the big kite, as now he was flying side by side about the big kite that flew up in the air. While far below he could see the ground and the boys like small spots moving around. Far below he could see the ground. और जब लिटिल काइट ने आसमान में उड़ना शुरू किया, he was able to see from the sky, the ground and the boys appeared like small spots moving around. उसको वो जो ऊपर से जो ग्राउंड था और जो छोटे छोटे जो बॉयज थे उधर उधर घूम रहे थे, वो छोटे छोटे स्पॉट्स की तरह दिख रहे थे. क्यों? क्योंकि हम जितनी भी हाइट्स पे ऊपर जाते हैं, हम जितना ऊपर हाइट पे जाते जाएंगे, जो नीचे की जो चीज़ें हैं वो धीरे धीरे विजिबल कम होती जाती हैं, छोटे छोटे स्पॉट्स बन जाते हैं. They rested high in the quiet air and only the birds and clouds were there. Both of them tried to relax during their flight in the sky. The little kite and the big kite. They rested high. They were trying to relax. जब अब काइट जो काइट्स थे वो एक लेवल पे पहुंच गए तो वहां पे वो जाके थोड़ा ठहर गए. ठीक है, तो both of them were trying to relax during their flight in the sky with birds and clouds as their companion. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried, and all because I was brave and tried. The little kite cried in happiness. Now the little kite became very happy. He cried in happiness, for he could prove himself as the one who tried to fly bravely and was successful in it. क्योंकि उसने अपने आप को प्रूव कर दिया था. ठीक है, उसने कोशिश की, हिम्मत जुटाई, कोशिश की. Finally, he got successful in flying high in the sky. So, this poem is about the bravery of काइट, कि उसने किस तरह मेहनत की. शुरू में उसे डर लगा, फिर उसने मेहनत की, उसने हार नहीं मानी, एंड फाइनली द काइट वॉज एबल टू फ्लाई हाई इन द स्काई. ही वॉज सक्सेसफुल. So what is the moral of the poem? The moral of the poem is that in order to be successful in life, one must work hard with determination and be courageous. कि अगर हमें लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल होना है तो हमें कड़ी मेहनत के साथ आगे चलना होगा, बढ़ना होगा. One must face the challenges in life by being brave, self-confident and bold. Or it doesn't matter whatever problems come in your life, whatever challenges come in your life, you have to face them with determination. You have to be brave, you have to be self-confident.